Welcome to Niragodi. Welcome back once again. And I'll be talking about logic implementations in robotics because in the last video that you would have seen, my friend Raghavendra have talked about robotics processing using logic gates. So that's the reason why I'll be presenting much about logic gates so that you'll have better knowledge on logic gates. First, you need to know that robots and digital circuits normally run on binary signals. That's the reason why I say logic is very important when you want to implement a robot using logic gates. So, what actually is the logic? How logic is implemented in robotics. So, what is logic in actual life? So, let's consider a situation where you and your friend are in a car crash where you will be driving in a forest and your car breaks down. So only thing is that your friend is good in hardware, that is the mechanical part, and you are good in repairing it. Only when you both are good at what you're doing is perfect, only then you could get out of the forest. I hope you're getting, because when you are doing something and your friend is doing something, only when you both do it correctly, you will get out of the forest. That is something like AND gate. Both should do it correctly so that the output is correct. Coming to OR gate, you consider an example like you and your friend feel hungry, you go to a restaurant, you don't have the money but your friend has. So you could share the food, right? Again the work is done. Anyone has, you get the output done. That's the logic of OR gate. Okay. Coming to digital electronics, once again, if you are poor in, you don't actually remember the digital electronics part. If you feel that you need to brush in your digital electronics skills, do check out the link that is provided. The link below. Okay. Next, electronic logic implementation. Okay, coming to electronic logic implementation, IC looks something like this. This is a simple IC that we will be using for logic implementation. You could see a notch at the top. That is the notch that indicates the top end of the IC. See, this is the pin number 1. This is a 14-pin IC, and this is pin number 14. Pin number 7 is normally connected to VCC. Do check out the data sheet of the concerned IC that you are going to use in your logic building of robotics. Okay, next, and all other pins that are given in the IC will be input or digital input. You get digital output. Okay, I hope you got that. And now that the theory part has been done, I guess you would be eagerly want to build robot as soon as possible. So dust your shoes, put in your stinky socks, run to the market and get some products and the ICs that you will be using for robotics. Okay, we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.